Afternoon, everyone. My name is Walter Harrison. I'm the founder of Tapestri. Just want to take the next few moments to kind of walk you through the vision and kind of what Tapestri is. So kind of starting with my background, I'm currently the founder of Tapestri, but have a decade of experience specifically in the mobility space. And that means is collecting information from mobile phones. From a decade of experience in this space, we saw a problem, and that was all the data coming from your phone and my phone is being collected primarily without your consent. And let's kind of walk through. So the problem that we currently see in the industry, whether you see on the right-hand side is consumers' data, my data and your data is being bought and sold, and none of us are actually earning a penny from it. On the right-hand side, you could see that Facebook has tried multiple things by launching VPNs. The data Amazon collects, you have senators and governors and mayors trying to push big tech companies to launch dividends to pay consumers, but it's just not really working. And you have the Social Dilemma documentary that came out last year on Netflix, which I recommend everybody to watch, which basically states if it doesn't cost you anything, you are likely the product, right? It's free to use, but primarily they are garnering data, utilizing algorithms and analytics just to show you a ton of ads, things that you probably don't need, or sometimes things you can't even afford, but we're constantly bombarded with. So we believe that if consumers knew all over the world, but right now launching here soon in the United States, so they can download an app, have this app collect information that they're already giving away. They can earn a passive income from it. And also this app will actually give them insights around people and places and things around them that they actually never known before. So just to walk you through a few sites and aspects of the app, you kind of see a monthly goal. We create a monthly goal for every single consumer using the Tapestri app. That goal is unique to that specific phone, all based on algorithms. We also allow the consumer to make additional income by asking them 3 simple questions every single month. And what we do is we collect that data, we monetize it anonymously. And the key thing on that is anonymously. And the consumer earns in the background every single day, and they're paid out once a month. Let's talk about the privacy aspect of Tapestri. Tapestri collects data anonymously in the background. So what that does actually mean, you are a dot on the screen, you are a random hashed ID. It's not Walter, it's not Chuck, it's not anyone personally identifiable. And that term is pretty common in the industry. It's called PII, personal identifiable information. Tapestri works on non-PII, but still allows the consumer to earn money in the background. This will be launching this summer, which we're pretty excited about. To learn more about how you can make even additional income, I'll turn it over to Chuck Williams, who's our affiliate manager, who will also have a great announcement in the next few minutes. Over to you, Chuck.
Walter, thank you very much for that introduction. And ladies and gentlemen, basically what we're talking about here is an affiliate program for a technology company that's basically, there's an app that we're going to be giving away. To become an affiliate, you'll simply go to the website of the person who invites you. You'll pay a $9.95 monthly subscription fee. You'll agree to the terms and conditions and complete your profile, which give you your own affiliate back office. As a Tapestri affiliate, you'll receive $1 per user per month on your second tier, in addition to the $1 per month you're going to make on all the people you personally refer, even as a user. So a user is going to make some income like Walter talked about. They're going to be able to give the app away, refer friends, all those friends, the user for free is going to be able to make $1 per month on all those users. But as an affiliate, for $9.95 a month, you now get paid on that second tier also. So you make $1 per month on that second tier also. That is very, very exciting. This announcement today goes into effect retroactive to the beginning, April 7th. And basically, we're in a pre-launch where the app itself will launch approximately early June. We're hoping for June 1st, but somewhere right around there. But to reward those of you that become a Tapestri affiliate prior to the actual launch of Tapestri app, there's a special benefit. A Tapestri affiliate that enrolls and pays that $9.95, they agree to the terms and conditions, they set up their profile, prior to the start of the actual app being available, you're going to pay that $9.95, and then you're going to get your first entire year free. Now, people that join the day the app launches or the next day and every day after that, they're going to pay that $9.95 monthly subscription fee. But for the founders, we're calling the Founders Club membership, it is a phenomenal benefit to getting started early with us. Now, there's one other, we call it a rank advancement. There's a super affiliate. When you have personally helped us build a team of affiliates by personally inviting and enrolling 10 affiliates, you become a super affiliate. And as a super affiliate, you're going to be involved in our rotation of orphan app users. You're also going to get a phenomenal benefit of a 50% match on your first and second tier. Let me illustrate all this for you real quickly as I wrap up. So free users can come in. They're going to earn anywhere from $5 to $25 a month, just based on allowing us consent to use their anonymous data. They're going to earn $1 per month on all the friends they refer. That's their first tier. So you can see there's no limit to how many people you have in that first tier. So there's really no limit to how many of those dollars you can earn. As an affiliate, you pay that $9.95 one time, last year for a year. If you do it prior to launch, it's monthly after the launch of the app. But now you're also getting $1 per app user on that second tier. Very, very exciting. So in this example, say you brought in these 4 people yourself as users or affiliates, let's say they're affiliates, and they share this with these 10 other people in that second tier. As an affiliate, you're now getting that $1 per on all 10 of those people, so it's $10. You can see how easy it is for the average person to earn an extra $100, $200 a month through our program. And remember, there's no limit to how many friends you invite. There's no limit to how many friends they invite. This can get pretty exciting pretty fast. Lastly, I want to talk to you about a super affiliate. I mentioned earlier, a super affiliate is someone who personally enrolls 10 affiliates. That's it. It's easy to do, especially with our Founders Club membership program we've got going on prior to launch. But when you become a super affiliate, this is a 2-tier affiliate system. So you're only directly getting paid on those first 2 tiers. But as in this example, these 10 people, let's say they're all affiliates on your first level, that makes you a super affiliate. You're going to get a 50% match on all the users in their first and second tier. The same thing applies to your second tier. Now, these are friends of friends. These are people you didn't even personally invite to the program, but that second tier, all affiliates in that second tier, you're going to get paid a 50% match on what they earn in their first and second tier. As you can see, this part of the compensation plan can get pretty exciting pretty fast as you're helping others learn about this incredible app. Now, there are no gotchas in this affiliate program. There's no monthly quotas that you got to hit to achieve your bonuses. You simply share this with other potential affiliates if you want to, or you can make all your money just simply giving the app away. Tapestri cannot and does not guarantee any particular level of earnings. And as I close, I just want to encourage you, get back with the person who invites you to this presentation, use their link to register as an affiliate, and then start inviting others to watch this presentation, and then send them your link. And it's that simple to build your business here with Tapestri. Thank you very much.